Hello, welcome back to our Let's Play on Software Inc. We're on episode 10. As we left it last time, we just made some modifications, but we basically built a whole new building. Off camera, I've just kind of redesigned that a little bit, merged some rooms together. We've still kept the same building. I didn't go as far as demolishing it again, but I've merged some of the rooms around. So we've got this canteen area now, which is what I was looking for before, and we've kind of moved the team leaders so they're next to each other. So we've only got two actual team rooms now, and we've got these two lounges, which we might end up getting rid of. I don't know. We kind of keep them as is at the moment. They're kind of really far apart from, to get to their lounge, they've got to go kind of, well, they'll probably move into there, and these will probably move into there, which makes this one kind of redundant, but hey, we'll just keep it for the time being. They'll probably all end up using this one toilet as well, but we'll see how that pans out. But for the time being, we've got a working office. So first thing, let's just get out of no, we're out of building mode, aren't we? Let's get out of building mode. Yes, we was. Let's just get into HR and manage some staff. And now what we're going to do is we're going to hire a permanent cook and hire a permanent cleaner, because we've got a big enough office now. So they're going to arrive, let's say they arrive before everybody else, so they're going to come 5 till 9. Our cook, however, 8 till 12, that kind of, let's go 9 till 1. And we'll have IT support as well, which is going to come in on a regular basis. No, well, yeah, okay. And they'll come in after everybody's gone, so nobody's hogging up machines. We need a receptionist as well, which we're going to say is going to come kind of midday-ish. So we'll work with that. We could actually do with getting a car park. We'll probably extend this way a bit and put a car park in there. Or probably really extend this way, and then we can make use of this. Actually, that would be a really good idea. That's not going to cost us that much, and we'll just use this car park that's already there then, with any luck. So we should start seeing people driving in the cars rather than queuing for a bus. So let's kind of go to the next day. And first of all, let's just make sure that everybody comes in and we don't get Jodie pissing around like she was before. Or he. It could be either, I suppose. Let's fast forward a little bit. I just want to make sure that people are all going to sit. Ah, right, see, somebody's come in the car now. And it's Jodie. See, Jodie has actually... There's nowhere to pee. Well, there is somewhere to pee, Jodie. You can pee in there. I've not limited that room, have I? Limit room usage. There's nowhere to pee. Are you going to find it? Yeah. No. Yeah. No. She's not going to pee in the coffee, is she? Jodie, you do have somewhere to pee. Everybody can use that room. You shouldn't need to do that. You should really just... Computer looks really well. I think Jodie's just being a dick, to be fair. Because quite easily, there's quite obviously somewhere to pee. Okay. I'm just... Jodie is a dick. That's it. Nothing, no two words about it. So let's, first of all, let's start making some more money. So we're going to develop some more software. Let's just pause it while we do this. I'm interested in what happens to this cook as well. They're going to turn up soon. In fact, I think they should have turned up before now. But what we are going to do is, we seem to have made quite a lot of money in 2D editors. And what year is it? So it's still 86. I don't think a 3D editor is on the cards at the moment. Let's use our own 2D editor for making a 3D editor, which makes sense. Let's just explore the... We can't do any of these yet until we get to 87. Do we want to wait to 87 then? And then we can kind of do this properly. Yeah, I think we do. Let's just go with another 2D editor, I think. And we'll put everything in. And advanced brushes. We need 3 programmers and 2 designers for this, and an artist. What operating system are we going to use? We are going to use whoever's doing the most. How many active users have we got? So we're going to use that. And probably that as well. So Sloth 5, Sloth X5 and X4. Yeah, we'll target those 2 operating systems. It's going to be based on Pitch Pro 2. So this is going to be Pitch Pro 3. And we'll assign it to core, and we'll develop that. Do we want to start some marketing? Yes, we do. And that will be marketing that's going to do that. So we'll start that campaign going. Office Buddy was a crashing success, so we're going to end that. Now, what we want to do as well is, he thinks the coffee's great. That's me, so I'm bound to think the coffee's great. What we're going to do is we're going to manage our teams a little bit. Did we send him on an HR? Yes, we did send him on HR. We're going to send him on a project management course as well. That's me, because we're going to make me into the lead. And then I'll sit into this nice office here. But also what we're going to do is, let's manage our team a little bit. Let's go into here. Let's go into... And we should be able to set... No. Hire employees. No. Manage employees. I thought we didn't manage teams. There is a way that you can kind of... I've got myself into a bit of a pickle again. Action. Ah, right. Yeah. No, I've got it. So, core, we're going to automate HR. Oh, I don't think we could do that until we've made him into project management. I don't think. Or can we just do... No, I think we have to wait until we can enable project management. We can enable HR at the same time then. So let's skip. We can't skip forward at the moment because our technical Bob guy's in. I've not seen our cook. Oh, yeah, here we go. Here's our cook. Let's slow it down. Okay, our character hasn't turned up today because he's on his course. So, yeah, they're putting food out. Our receptionists turn up. And let's just slow down a bit because this is where the receptionist comes in. We can do deals with people. So what happens with the receptionist is that companies, reps from companies now got a place to come in and leave details, and those details will be details of deals. So we could do the marketing for this 2D editor software for Mansoft Research, for example, and see this woman has just dropped another one off doing support for a 2D editor for so long. So yeah, I think what we might actually end up doing is let's just pick up a support contract, a marketing contract, and Jodie can get off his or her. I'm still not sure is it a female or a male. It can be both. I'm kind of thinking it's female. Nothing sexist going on, but she's just a pain in the ass. Although I think she has actually found the toilet now, which makes her a little bit better in my book. So our Pitch Pro 3 is developing along nicely. It's still in the bad quality, but we've only just started it, so it's nice to see that people are actually using the canteen as well. So what do people think of this? Love working, hunger is fine, stress, I'm not sure whether that hunger's big or energy. I'm not entirely sure. Does that mean that they've not got any hunger, or they've got lots of hunger? Yeah, I'm not sure. So there's our... Is that our... Where are you? You're our IT guy. We might not actually need a permanent contract for him, because he's just coming and sitting there doing bugger all, isn't he? So, yeah, we're going to dismiss him. Yeah, you can bugger off. There you go. Bye. Just wasting money there. 2 players went on. Okay, we're going to have to sort this out. Two employees went on vacation. Let's have a look at managed teams. So yeah, core and marketing are actually going on vacation at the same time, so we're going to have to sort that out. Marketing is going to go in June. Core's going to go in July. Unfortunately, you can't put separate people, so your entire team goes on holiday at the same time, which is a bit daft. I prefer different people to go on at different times, but okay, that's what we're going to have to live with. So that's our cleaner. I think we're going to have to stick with our cleaner, even though she's sat there on the backside. Or he is. So this is going to be kind of a useless day, really, because either everybody's on training or on holiday. So yeah, a day where nothing about an entire month, really, because this day-night cycle in game is actually a month. So a useless day today. So let's skip to the next month. Cleaners coming in, and hopefully we should get some staff back today. Yeah, it's August, so cleaner making a bit of a cleany bit. She should be... we could probably fit another desk against this wall, really, as well, couldn't we? I don't think you need to go into building mode for that. You can just do that on the fly. And we're going to send you on a course as well, I think, because we're going to make you, for some reason, I don't know, but we're going to put you on a project management course. We're going to make you our team leader of marketing. Kitchen staff coming in. We've now got a programmer in. It should be, is it Claire? Yeah, that's Claire. And we're really waiting for me to come back off my project management course, and then we can make me lead, and we can start automating stuff up a little bit there. And instead of micromanaging teams, we can kind of let them do their own thing a little bit. So we're losing money, but that's not expected because we are just kind of designing shit at the moment. So yeah, I'm back. So what we're going to do is we're going to change employees role. So we're going to make me lead of this team. And then we're going to start putting some automation, which we can do in manage teams. So core, we're going to have some automation, project management, and actually I'm not sure whether we can put project management in at the moment because that'll ditch that. Yeah, we'll just leave that off for the moment, but we can put HR management in. And what we can do here is we can set core a budget, and their budget I think we'll say is 50k. If we want to force roles, that'll make sure that people only do things that they're skilled about. But at this stage, it's not too bad when you've got massive teams, but we need bigger teams before we start doing that. So we're just going to muck in. We're going to have 3 developers. We're going to have 1 artist. We're not going to have any designers. We'll leave that down. And we're going to say that we want really good education on these. So he'll control who's going on what course, and he'll send them away for courses and stuff like that. Education cooldown, how long to wait between education use, and negative numbers related to several courses at once. We'll just leave that at 0. Preferred age, around 30. We're going to bring that down a little bit, I think. So yeah, that should be good. We'll do that for now. And we'll limit this to leaders. So Claire Merriott, who the hell are they? Not sure. We've obviously hired somebody. Let's just go into our manage teams. Yes, so we've got a count of 4 in there now. So if we go to manage employees, yeah, there we go. So we've now automatically enrolled these 2 people into core. Obviously they're a programmer, and they're programmer stroke artist. So yeah, okay. I'm not sure whether some of these are going to sit at the moment, so we're going to have to duplicate this up, and we'll just put that there. We might have to move them because, will we? Let's. No, it's not giving. I thought it might give us a little thing saying that you can't get to them, but obviously that's not a need. What we might do as well, actually, is let's chuck that way. Make a duplicate. And then just, oops, picking the wrong thing there. Move furniture that way. Okay, so we can slot a few more people in that way. And hopefully he's going to start using that terminal when he comes in next month. And we're going to limit that to leaders as well, and switch teams. That should be for marketing. And let's make sure I've done the same on this. Switch teams, that's only for core. Right. Yeah, I think we could probably fit some more people in here if we're a bit better with the room design, the placement of this. Move that way. Move that way. Yeah. And we could probably... that's probably enough for this room, to be honest, because if you start getting too many people in a room, then you start suffering from noise pollution. What I'm thinking is we could actually fit one on the end here as well if we need to. moving furniture is a little bit tricky in itself here, but yeah, that should probably do. Is any more than that, and we'll start getting stuff a little bit noisy in here. So Jodie's on the training course. Let's have a look at our project. So we're mediocre at the moment, so we want that to get at least to great to outstanding, really. Let's advance to the next month. Hemorrhaging money, but we've got plenty in the bank, so I'm not too worried about that. We could probably do with putting something in the insurance coffers at the moment. Right, so yeah, we've now started using our office, so we've got our team leader office. Programmers and designers busily working away there. Jodie's still away being a pain in the ass for somebody else. I've changed the decoration as well between the last episode as well, just to kind of make it a little more pretty. I believe what you can do is actually just duplicate floors to make it a little bit easier. You can just kind of take this and then just build it again up top, which as we're growing is probably going to be the best bet. All these cars coming in this car park now, which is really cool. Let's keep this going. So they're having a little team meetings. It's rather cool. We've got a water cooler as well, where people are supposed to use this to kind of congregate around and get all pally. I've not seen anybody using it though. Hitting November now. Our reputation of staff, which affect the quality. So I'm not sure whether Red Star's good or bad, to be fair. We really want to start getting another piece of software out the door. Claire's still away. Jodie, sorry. Which is unfortunate because we could really do some marketing on this and building it up. Right, Jodie's come back. She wants a pay rise now because she is kind of cleverer than everybody else. Seems I've just paid for her education as well. I think it's a bit of a cheek, but we'll accept it. It's coming to December, so she's got a pay rise in December. I hope she buys everybody a nice Christmas present. So Jodie's back, and we're now going to I've got a pay rise. I just got a rise. Cocky cow. Oh, you found the toilet now, have you? Oh yes, wonderful. But we're going to get you to work, Jodie. What are we going to get you to do? We're going to... We can't, I don't believe yet, automate. We can automate... Well, first of all, let's roll back a bit. We're going to have to, first of all, make her lead. And for some reason she now starts typing like a right dick. She wasn't typing like that before, was she? Oh, all these are though. Actually, I really seem to be the only one that's got a decent typing animation. Everybody's just kind of really dead stiff-armed. Bit bizarre. So you're the lead. Now we should be able to go into manage teams, automate marketing. So project management, you can do your own stuff, I think. But we are going to have to send you on a management course if we want to enable you to do HR management, which we don't want to do at the moment because you want to just come back. So we'll just do some manual hiring of employees. We want some marketeers. We'll search for everything and we'll put a bit of money into doing this. So we want somebody who is a really good fit into our business but have got good skill as well. And Jean is looking overall rather good. She's really good at marketing. She's a bit of a snob, bit of a flirt, but she's got a good compatibility. So yeah, I think we're just going to go for her. And we're going to assign her to marketing. Actually, yeah. Okay, that's a good point. when you choose the team, right, so she's a great fit. No, she's not just good anymore, she's a great fit into the marketing department. Okay, that's good to know. So we'll hire her. I think we'll just leave it at that for now. We only need the one. So she's going to come in. She's going to go into the... Jodie should move into that, because now that is... Let's just check. That's limited to leaders, and it is on marketing only. And this is just for marketing, which it wasn't before, but that's cool now. So our empire is going up in the world. Just put it on fast forward. Whoa, what's going on? Some inventory broken needs maintenance, right? Yeah, because we don't have a maintenance guy, so let's call in maintenance. We'll call in IT support as well while we're at it. What did break? It was the... It looks like it's the light in the cellar where we keep the boiler, so that, yeah, it's not major, but something to keep an eye on. So our IT guy's just come in. Maintenance guy. All he did is go down there and fix that, so I'm assuming everything else is okay. What I might actually do is I might permanently hire maintenance now, and he can come in same time as the cleaners, because there's a lot of stuff that, you know, the maintenance even goes down to doors and lights, light bulbs, things like that. So there's a lot to go wrong. Probably better as well. Let's just have a look at everybody's computer. 99%, 99%, 99%, oh, 90%, 89%. Let's just call in a temporary IT guy as well. Okay, so that's our cleaner, and that's just our maintenance guy. So everything's fixed up. We've got to make sure that, I know it's a bit of a waste of money, because nothing's going to need repairing every day, but we've got to keep everything in check. So our Picture Pro software is in a good position at the moment, design wise. I think what we're going to do is just go ahead and start developing that now, because we need to start getting some money, and we're hemorrhaging money out. I think on the grand scheme of things, I might have made the kitchen area a little bit too big, but to be fair, there's not really much more I can do with that space other than make it into a kitchen. So development, bad at the moment, but you know, we know that's going to build up. We want to make it to either... I don't think it's going to get anywhere past good. Literally, because it can't get any more than what the design stage was, and we left the design stage at a good place. Fortunately, now we've got these guys coming in early morning, we can't skip unused time as much as we did before. We just have to plough on through. People coming in now. Hopefully this marketing, now we're doing marketing on a better scale. This delegate from our side, I think that's because we've got a lead in, and they're kind of going to come up with their own marketing strategies, I think. Going to a mediocre stage at the moment. Let's speed time up a little bit. And see, it's not going to get anything out of good because we only designed it to a good quality. So bugger it, we're promoting that now. It goes into beta, fix some bugs, and then we can release it. Yes, we want to do the marketing campaign. We want to hit everything, and we're going to do that by marketing, not core. Start campaign. And there we go. Now what we can do, let's just pause for a moment. Let's go to manage teams and now automate project management. So they're going to start kind of working on their own stuff now, and instead of us having to throw projects at them. So we're going to make sure that they use their own licensing. We'll do pre-marketing and post-marketing, and the marketing team is going to be marketing. Dev team is going to be core, and support is going to be core as well, because we don't have a dedicated support team at the moment. We don't have any servers at the moment, which is bad news, and we're going to concentrate on doing 2D engines on 2D editors on this, I think. So they're going to do 2D editors. We'll increase the marketing budget, and what we'll do is we'll leave that for now. It's getting up to 30 minutes on this, so we'll call this an episode, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for joining us.